Guys, today I want to show you my shoes from Colombia that I've got lately. I mean, some time ago, and I've got them really cheap because I used rewards from Colombia, and the model name is this one, minx mid-second omni heat, and they are from US size 10. And that's open, so it looks like this. Let's see. So here they are, very nice. I've got them in color black. I had also gray ones, but I returned grey ones because they were half size bigger, because I ordered two to know which one would be fit me better, and they run half size smaller. They are waterproof and they have fur inside. Half of the shoe is with fur, actually even more than half. Like this. Seats for fur, and deeper inside it has omni heat lining, as you can see, so it has those dots there. Here dots, and they reflect body heat back to you, so they're supposed to be warm. I don't know, well, not tried them on, and they say they're good for -25 Celsius. I don't know if it's true. I mean 32 Celsius and 25 Fahrenheit, and they waterproof and breathable. And they have that omni heat that reflects body heat back to you, like in those jackets that I showed in past. Try them on. Oh no, we have something inside. So it looks like this. Looks like this on me. They are really lightweight and flexible. Omni heat boots looks like this in better light. So they are really cute. They have this two color things. How it's called? And there, the bottom looks like this. They are funny, but I would test them out. So I mean, in the snow, can be tucked down, I think. Okay, bye. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you.